Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a contact and how you can save photos on Google Photos. So let's get right into it. To save photos, it is very easy. You just need to upload them from your device, and I have created a tutorial on how you can do that in the past, so I do recommend you check it out. But it's pretty much as easy as just accessing Google Photos through either your web browser or going into the app and clicking the upload button, or in the case of PC, just dragging and dropping the files into Google Photos, and then they will be uploaded, and that's pretty much it. Now, to import contacts or add or move them, you will need to connect them to your Google account. It is not possible to do so in Google Photos, but the way that you can add a contact to Google on the computer is to go to Google Contacts, which is the service which is required or used for this purpose, and at the top left you can click create contact, and then create a contact or create multiple contacts, enter the information and click save. You can also import contacts either from files. You just need to go into Google Contacts, click import, select the file, choose the file and click import, or from a Gmail account. For existing contacts, what you need to do to export them is to go to Google Contacts, and at the top right click export, select which contacts to export, then select Google CSV, click export, and at the top right click your profile picture and then sign out. This is done in one account where you want to export, of course, your contacts. To import them into another account, you need to go to Google Contacts and sign in with the other account, click import, select the file, choose the file and click import, and that is pretty much it. That's how it's done on PC. On Android it is a bit different. To add a contact, you can just open the Contacts app, at the bottom right tap add, and then enter the name and email or phone number. Then you can pick the account where you want to save the contact, add more name details, add a photo if you wish, and you can also enter more information like the address or notes, and you can do so by tapping the more fields, and when you're finished just tap save. And to import from a SIM card, you can insert the SIM into your device and open the Contacts app, tap fix and manage, and then import from SIM at the bottom. And then if you have multiple accounts on your device, you need to pick the account where you want to save the contacts, and from a VCF file, you can just at the bottom tap fix and manage and then import from file. If you have multiple accounts, of course, select the one you want and then select the VCF file you wish to import, pretty much the same as for your SIM card. Now, you can also move contacts. However, I won't be covering that since that is not the topic of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.